The excitement surrounding the DJI Mini 5 Pro drone is not just hype, it's the kind of anticipation that builds when a product promises to redefine what's possible in its category. After months of swirling rumors and insider leaks, DJI has finally made it official. The Mini 5 Pro is launching in September 2025. That timing isn't accidental, it's calculated. Releasing just ahead of the holiday season, DJI is clearly positioning this drone to be the standout gift for creators, tech lovers, and adventurers heading into the new year. And what a package it is! This isn't just a minor update, it's a leap forward. The standout feature everyone's buzzing about is the camera. DJI has a reputation for pioneering drone photography, and the Mini 5 Pro raises the bar again with a rumored 1-inch sensor. That's right, a 1-inch sensor in a drone weighing under 250 grams. That kind of sensor typically lives in much larger and more expensive equipment, so bringing it to a lightweight, ultra-portable drone is a game-changer. It means drastically better performance in low light, sharper photos, richer colors, and a stunning level of detail whether you're shooting in daylight, during golden hour, or even at night. For professionals capturing real estate footage or travel content, this camera could replace bulkier setups. For casual flyers, it means cinematic level quality without needing a film degree. But DJI didn't stop with the camera. They're reportedly integrating LiDAR technology, yes, the same kind used in self-driving vehicles. This tech allows the drone to actively sense and map its surroundings using light pulses. In practical terms, that means safer flights, smarter obstacle avoidance, and precise tracking even in challenging environments like forests or city streets. It could revolutionize how the drone navigates in real time. New pilots will find the experience more forgiving, while seasoned pros can push creative boundaries with confidence. Imagine flying through dense trees or close quarters with pinpoint accuracy. That's what LiDAR brings to the table. Flight time is another massive upgrade. The Mini 5 Pro offered around 30 minutes, which was already solid. But the Mini 5 Pro? It's expected to reach up to 50 minutes on a single charge. That kind of endurance is practically unheard of in this size class. Whether you're on a long shoot, exploring remote landscapes, or just enjoying a relaxed session, this increase removes the constant anxiety of watching your battery percentage plummet. More time in the sky means more opportunities, fewer interruptions, and far better storytelling through aerial shots. And let's talk about range. With DJI's next-gen transmission system, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to fly up to 25 kilometers away. That's enormous coverage. While regulations will naturally limit how far you can actually fly, the expanded range ensures rock-solid connection and video feed stability, even in areas with signal interference. It's a major win for those who shoot in wide open or unpredictable environments where distance matters. Another smart move from DJI is their embrace of vertical video. With platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts dominating content trends, vertical video is no longer a niche, it's a necessity. The Mini 5 Pro will reportedly allow you to shoot vertical video natively, meaning no need for awkward cropping or rotation in post-production. Just fly, shoot, and post. This alone could save creators hours of editing time and help maintain image quality for mobile platforms. Staying under the magical 249 grams limit is no small feat. In many countries, drones above this weight require registration or certification. DJI understands that creators want power without paperwork, so they're keeping the Mini 5 Pro in the ultra-lightweight category. It's packed with pro-grade features while remaining legally friendly. For travelers hopping borders, it also means less hassle at airports and customs checkpoints. You'll be able to carry this drone almost anywhere, pop it open, and shoot like a pro in minutes. The design, unsurprisingly, will likely follow DJI's proven formula: foldable, sleek, and built for travel. Expect durability, weather resistance, and improvements in wind handling. Whether you're hiking, road tripping, or just commuting to a shoot, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a traveler's dream. Toss it in your bag, unfold it in seconds, and start flying. Now, about the price? DJI hasn't released final numbers, but based on the features and what the Mini 5 Pro retailed at, we can expect a range of $850 to $900. That might feel like a premium, but considering you're getting a 1-inch sensor, LiDAR, extended range, and nearly an hour of flight time, the value becomes undeniable. You're essentially holding a professional rig that fits in your palm. For what it offers, it's a bargain compared to buying a larger drone with similar capabilities plus the added cost of registrations, transport cases, and potential commercial permits. And if DJI bundles the Mini 5 Pro with Fly More kits or Pro accessories, the total package could deliver even greater value. Speaking of accessories, you can bet DJI will launch a robust lineup alongside the drone: extra batteries, multi-battery charging hubs, ND filter kits, propeller guards, and maybe even new smart controllers. Third-party manufacturers won't waste time either, so expect a flood of compatible gear like carrying cases, extended antennas, and sunshades for outdoor shooting. All of these extras help elevate your flying experience, offering more control, protection, and creative flexibility. Releasing in September gives DJI a major strategic advantage. It's the perfect time to catch early holiday shoppers, professional buyers gearing up for the year-end work cycle, and travelers planning winter getaways. Whether you're gifting it to someone or investing in your own creative toolkit, the timing is flawless. This isn't just another product drop, it's a calculated move to own the sky during the busiest retail season of the year. And here's the thing, the Mini 5 Pro isn't just for fun. Yes, it's compact and easy to use, but it's also a serious content creation tool. Social media influencers, travel vloggers, real estate professionals, filmmakers, and even commercial inspection teams will find this drone incredibly useful. Its camera quality makes it suitable for short films. Its flight time makes it ideal for capturing long property tour or large-scale outdoor events. Its weight and design make it portable enough for creators constantly on the move. And its features are rich enough to handle advanced creative demands. From a post-production standpoint, the footage captured on this drone will be ready for professional editing workflows. That means clean color grading, smoother motion control, and enough resolution to crop, zoom, or stabilize without ruining your shot. The smarter sensors and obstacle detection mean you'll spend less time fixing mistakes and more time crafting stunning content. Whether it's a cinematic drone sequence or a tight vertical shot for social media, the Mini 5 Pro delivers. Ultimately, DJI is redefining what a compact drone can do. With each generation, they've moved the needle. But this time, it's not just about specs, it's about the balance between performance and practicality. They're giving creators freedom, not just in terms of what they can shoot, but where, how, and when. This drone isn't just another upgrade. It's a statement. It says, you don't need to be a production house to shoot like one. So should you buy it? If you've been waiting for a drone that's lightweight, feature-rich, and future-ready, this might be the moment. If you're serious about content creation, this drone has your back. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned filmmaker, it's hard to ignore what DJI has built here. The Mini 5 Pro is not just a drone, it's a creative companion for the modern storyteller. With the release just around the corner, the window to act is opening. Keep an eye out for pre-orders and don't wait too long. Once they're live, these drones tend to sell fast, especially when the features are this strong. It's more than hype. It's DJI proving once again that innovation can come in small packages.